Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved use Audi Q2 Black Edition S-Tronic, finished in the modern Mythos Black metallic paintwork. This 2022 model comes with a petrol engine with 190 PS, quattro 4-wheel drive and automatic transmission, delivering a 0 to 60 in just 6.7 seconds. The top features include the striking LED headlights for great visibility, large 19-inch alloy wheels with Audi Sport badging on the alloys, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and Q2 badging, in addition to stylish quattro badging at the front and rear, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 335-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo, along with a SONOS premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious part leather trim for that premium look and feel. The front houses the multifunctional flat-bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central display, climate control, a central console, and desembossed front part leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find connection of Apple Carplay and Android Auto. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features 2 cup holders, a gear shifter, a MMI controller, and a central armrest that reveals the hidden compartment with an additional USB-C charging port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.